Hey guys, this is BMO Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a void check from BMO Online. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Bank Services. Under Bank Services, you will see a section for checks. Then you will see an option for Download a Void Cheque. Click on Download a Void Cheque. On this page, select an account. After selecting, click on Download Check. And now you will see your void check. That's how you get a void check from BMO Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.